When it comes to test automation tools, there are a lot of options out there. Two popular options are Cypress and Playwright. While both tools have their benefits, there are some key differences between them that are worth considering. Firstly, Cypress is a tool that's focused on end-to-end testing for web applications. It's known for its simple setup and ease of use. With Cypress, you can write and run tests in the browser, which makes it easy to debug issues. Additionally, Cypress has built-in features like automatic waiting and time travel debugging, which can save time and make it easier to troubleshoot issues. On the other hand, Playwright is a more versatile tool that can be used for testing web applications, mobile applications, and desktop applications. It supports multiple programming languages, including JavaScript, Python, and Java. Playwright is known for its speed and reliability, and it can run tests in multiple browsers and devices simultaneously. Another difference between Cypress and Playwright is their approach to automation. Cypress is a black box tool, which means that it doesn't allow you to access the application code directly. Instead, you interact with the application through the user interface. This can make it easier to write tests, but it may not be as flexible as some other tools. Playwright, on the other hand, is a gray box tool. This means that you can access the application code directly, which can give you more control over the tests. However, this can also make it more challenging to write tests, particularly if you're not familiar with the application code. In terms of community support, both Cypress and Playwright have active communities of developers and testers. However, Cypress has been around for longer, so it may have a larger user base and more resources available. In summary, both Cypress and Playwright are powerful tools for test automation, but they have different strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for a simple and easy-to-use tool for web application testing, Cypress may be a good choice. If you need more versatility and control over your tests, Playwright may be the better option. Ultimately, the best tool for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences.